Deleted a work item in Jira and can't find it? You're not alone. Let's see what really happens and how you can track it. Deleting is simple. Open the work item, go to Actions, choose Delete, and confirm. But here's the problem. Once it's deleted, Jira removes it completely. There's no recycle bin and no quick undo. In the Jira audit log, admins can see when a work item was deleted and by whom. This gives basic accountability, but it has limits. It doesn't keep details like field values and comments. You only know that something was deleted, not what it contained. Once deleted, the work item is gone. Even admins can't restore it without rolling back backups. This is where issue history for Jira app comes in. Let's see how it works step by step. After installing the app, activate the Keep Deleted Work Items feature. The guide on how to do it can be found in the video description. To track deleted work items, use the filter panel to select Deleted Work Items and the required project. You'll see who deleted the work item and when it happened. Unlike the Jira audit log, the app also shows the details of the item before deletion, like field values and comments. To restore the deleted work item, hover the mouse over the task, and a Restore button will appear. Click it to see how the work item will look after recovery. Click Restore to confirm your final decision, and your work item will be restored immediately. With issue history for Jira app, your deleted work items are never lost. You always have a clear record and the ability to restore them easily.